In this video, I'll do the exercises at the bottom of notebook 4. So we're going to read we're going to use this duration column to start off with. This is from that movie data set. So it says, how long was the movie Titanic? So I'm going to use the loc indexer over here because I'm using a label, Titanic. So that'll give us the value, 194 minutes. How long was the movie at the 999th integer location? Well, that'll use iloc. And not movie, but duration, excuse me. Exercise 3, select the duration for the movies Hulk, Toy Story, and Cars. So I'll go ahead and just copy that duration.loc. I need a inner list here and just use those 3 movies. So this should return a series in that order. Exercise 4, select the duration for every 100th movie from Hulk to Cars. So duration dot, again we're going to use loc and slice notation from Hulk to Cars going by 100. That's how we'll do that. Exercise 5, select the duration for every 10th movie beginning from the 100th to the end. So this will do iloc. So beginning from the 100th, I guess technically this should be 99, but really the point is just to use slice notation and know that to go to the end we don't use stop and use 10 like that. All right, so that'll do that one. All right, so I'm going to read in the bikes data set and then use the wind column for all of these next exercises. So we've read in the bikes data set, we selected this wind speed column, saved it to the variable named wind, and then did that. So what type of index does the wind series have? Well, we didn't put any special column into the index, so it actually uses the range index. So we look at it like this. So again, this is the default simple index. It's just integers beginning at 0. So we'll just say a range index. From the wind series, select the integer locations 4 through, but not including 10. So we do wind dot iloc, so from 4 to 10, and that should do it. So in this case, this is important. The labels are the same as the integer location. So this is label 6. It is also integer location 6. Exercise 8, copy and paste your answer from exercise 7, but use loc instead. Do you get the same result? Well, no, you're not going to get the same result. We're going to get one more value over here. It is label number 10. So remember, loc is inclusive of the end, and we can use integers here because the labels are integers. So we go from 4 to 10, and it's inclusive of 10. Here, iloc is exclusive of the last one. So that should help you see the difference between loc and iloc. All right, so that's it for all of the exercises.